So the next problem is on converting a quadratic equation and to the vertex form, from the intercept form to the vertex form. The form that is given is known as the vertex form because y equal to a into x minus 2 times x plus 4. If we equate y to 0, the intersection points with the x-axis will be x equal to 2 and minus 4. But actually that is not the question. It is the intercept that we have found. It is only extra knowledge. But we are now supposed to find out what is the vertex. That is, for that we just first have to convert the equation to the vertex form. Okay. So y equal to a into x square minus 2x plus 4x minus 8 is the equation, which can be further simplified as a into x square plus 2x, but that minus 8a I am going to take out. What for? Because now I have to complete the square for x square plus 2x. That is, I am going to write it as a into x plus 1 the whole square minus 8a. What is the meaning of completion of square? First of all, we have to see whether the coefficient of x square is 1. Within the parenthesis it is 1, and 2x being the middle term, we have to divide that by 2. That is, the coefficient of x has to be made half, which is 2 by 2, so 1. So I get x plus 1 the whole square. But by doing that, I have now introduced extra 1, which will mean that I have to subtract the same outside. Now therefore the equation reduces to a times x plus 1 the whole square minus 9a. So now we are able to see that the vertex of this parabola is minus 1 comma minus 9a. Hence the value of d that will match the situation is d equal to minus 9a, which is option C.